The goal of this video is to configure a TEC controller of Meerstetter Engineering to keep an object at the predefined constant temperature. First, we have to tell the controller that our desired temperature of the object is 22 degrees Celsius. This is done by setting the target object temperature in the Temperature Control tab. The option Peltier Full Control means that the controller can heat and cool the object using the Peltier element by changing the direction of the current. Now we switch to the Operation tab. Here we choose the Channel 1 output to be a temperature controller. For safety reasons, we use output limitations depending on the application. Please remember to use only these values to limit the controller's output and not the Peltier characteristic values. However, these limits depend on the defined Peltier characteristics. As a rule of thumb, the voltage limitation should be set approximately 1 volt over the Umax value of the Peltier element to compensate losses in the cables. Make sure that the current limitation does not exceed the Peltier element's maximum current Imax. There are also error thresholds which are set approximately 20% over the corresponding limits. An error will be generated if either the current or the voltage reaches a threshold. To switch on the output, set Channel 1 output stage enable to static on. As you can see, the device status switches to run. And now we see that the temperature will converge to our desired 22 degrees Celsius. If the measured temperature of the object equals approximately the target temperature, the Channel 1 object temperature indication on the bottom switches to green. Maybe you noticed that the control deviation of the temperature from the chosen target temperature is reduced quite slowly. This can be optimized using the built-in Autotuning function. In the next video we will see how this works. If you observe in the graph that the temperature changes in the wrong direction, the Peltier element is connected the wrong way. Switch the connected wires of the Peltier element or change the settings for the polarity of the Peltier element in the service software.